Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Bible from the DeKalb County ROE, here to read you one of my favorite books today called If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Laura Joff Numeroff. Now, because I want to show you 2 pages at a time sometimes, I'm going to read the pages first and then show you the pictures. So you'll have to use your imagination to picture what I'm saying. If you give a mouse a cookie, can you see the mouse? Can you see the little boy with the cookie? What do you think will happen? He's going to ask for a glass of milk. But when you give him the milk, what do you think's going to happen next? Do you think he might ask for something else? He'll probably ask you for a straw. And when he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. What do you think will happen next? Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks into the mirror, he might notice that his hair needs a trim, so he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors. So after he drank his milk, he wanted to make sure he didn't have a what? A milk mustache. Have you ever had a milk mustache? I have. But when he looks in the mirror, do you remember, what did he notice? He needed a trim, so he asked for some scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, what do you think he's going to want next? He's going to want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every single room in the house. Can you see in the back over here? Right back here where my fingers are? He's sweeping so much, he's creating a big dust cloud. What do you think's going to happen next? He may even end up washing the floors as well. And when he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. Can you see him resting on the can of cleaner? Do you think he's all done? Do you think he'll want to do something else? You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. Why? Because he's tired. He'll crawl in and make himself comfortable and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So can you see him? He's got a little powder puff over here. That's going to be his pillow. And he wants to read a story. He wants you to read him a story. Do you like to have somebody read you a story when you're getting ready to take a nap? So you'll read to him from one of your own books. And then, of course, he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited. He'll want to, what do you think? He'll want to draw one of his own pictures. So he'll ask for papers and crayons. Can you see the little mouse hopping out of his bed? Can you see the little boy with his book? I wonder if the little boy's getting tired with all of the things this mouse wants to do. He'll draw a picture. Can you see? He's drawing. Can you see the crayons? What color does he have here? Can you see? It's green. What color is over here? Brown. How about over here? Blue. How about this one? Yellow. How about this one? Orange. And this one? Black. You know your colors. When his picture is finished, of course, he'll want to sign his name. Whoops, Miss Bible turned 2 pages. And he'll want to use a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need what? Boys and girls, what do we need when we want to hang something up on the fridge? Sometimes we use a magnet. Sometimes we use Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that, oh no, what's he gonna want next? Can you see the little boy over here trying to find the Scotch tape? Looks like he needs to clean up his area, doesn't it? And then, of course, here's the refrigerator with the little picture. You can kind of see the bottom of it hanging on the refrigerator. Can you see all of the things the mouse piled up so he could get up to the refrigerator? Here's some crackers. That might be some cereal. I don't know, cookie tin maybe. And now he's all done. Or is he? Looking at that refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So, what do you think? Can you see him? How do you know he's thirsty, boys and girls? Can you see him holding his throat? Can you see the little boy resting? He's exhausted. What do you think? What's the mouse gonna want? He'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, what do you think he's gonna want to go with that glass of milk? Can you guess? He's going to want a cookie to go with it. Oh, sorry, boys and girls. And here is our poor boy who is exhausted, who's getting the mouse one more cookie. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to try to point it out. Here are the cookies, and here, whoo, there's our little mouse. So I think the lesson of this story is, think twice before you give a mouse a cookie. Bye-bye.